Now we're going to talk about the in-field calibration check procedure. As discussed previously, as part of the kit, you're supplied with a calibration check plug. On the end of the calibration check plug is a number, and there's a serial number of the instrument which needs to correspond with the label on the back of the instrument. Before we insert the calibration check plug, we need to switch on the instrument into continuous mode. If you recall, whilst pressing the enter button in, switch the instrument on, you'll see that it will go into the warm-up screen again. Select the enter button and then make sure that the instrument and the probe is in clean air. For demonstration purposes, we don't have the probe connected, so I'll select enter. The zero will take place. The calibration check plug is specific to the instrument supply. Therefore, if the calibration check plug is lost for any reason, you'll need to send the instrument back so a new calibration check plug can be manufactured and calibrated against that particular check plug. It is still recommended that the instrument is sent back to your local service centre or us, Pacific Data Systems Australia, the manufacturer, for a 6-monthly service. The instrument has gone through its zero procedure and now it's ready for continuous measurement. You can select the enter button. The test will begin after the 5-second countdown ceases. The instrument is now in continuous mode, and you can see it is in clean air as 0.00 milligrams per cubic metre is displayed. You then, whilst the instrument is still running, turn the instrument around. You grab your calibration check plug ready. You remove your plug insert from the instrument, rotating anti-clockwise, and then inserting your calibration check plug into the plug insert, and then rotating it slightly to the right, clockwise, ensuring that the black indicator is facing in the upwards direction. When you turn the instrument around, the value on the calibration check plug should be within plus or minus 5% of the display value on the screen. The value on the calibration check plug, as a reminder, was 186, and it's being displayed on the screen as 185 milligrams per cubic metre, so it's certainly within the calibration check point range of plus or minus 5% of the value on the calibration check plug. When you're happy with that result, you can switch the instrument off. For demonstration purposes, I'll replace the standard plug insert to demonstrate that the instrument will return to zero. Remove the calibration check plug, insert the plug insert, and as the instrument conducts a number of readings and then averaging and then displays, you'll notice that the number on the screen was falling as I rotated the instrument around, and now it's displaying 0.00 milligrams per cubic metre. Again, should you have any issues with regards to the reading on the calibration check plug not reading within the value, please contact your local service centre or Pacific Data Systems Australia, the manufacturer, for further information or instruction. The dPM-RT is a low maintenance field instrument. One of the things that you do need to ensure that you maintain for optimal performance is replacement of the filter. And you'll notice some material at the bottom of the filter chamber. That is to capture any moisture that has not been captured through the heating element in the sampling chamber. To replace the filter, it's a few steps. The first step is to unscrew the plastic housing anti-clockwise. You can then unscrew the filter, again anti-clockwise. You'll notice that the filter can then be removed from the filter holder. Grab yourself a new filter. There have been 5 supplied with the kit. Place the new filter on, find the locator, screw the filter holder back into place. If this is wet or dirty, give it a wring out and replace it. Just needs to be placed at the bottom there. And then without cross-threading it, gently screw on the filter housing. If you do run out of filters, please contact your local service agent or the manufacturer for more filters. Thank you for watching our instructional videos on the diesel particulate measurement real-time, the dPM-RT, on operations, maintenance and calibration field checks. Should you require any further information about the operation or maintenance of this instrument, please contact your local service centre or Pacific Data Systems Australia, the manufacturer.